Let's make quick and easy tandoori chicken handi. Take 2 chicken breasts, add 1 finely chopped chili, 2 tablespoons of tandoori masala, 1 lemon, half cup of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. Heat oil, add cumin, chili, curry leaves, then add 2 finely chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook until color changes. Then add our marinated chicken, sprinkle some kasuri methi, smoke it with lit charcoal, garnish with some lemon and mint leaves and eat with joy.